next topic is relationship between LCM and GCD. LCM means least common multiple, greatest common divisor. For which is the relation, the product of two polynomial is the product of their LCM and GCD. So f of x into g of x is equal to LCM of f of x g of x into GCD of f of x into f of x and g of x. Okay, what is the relation? Product of two polynomial is the product of their LCM and GCD, that is f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD of the given polynomials. For it is the general relationship f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. For using this general definition, we have to derive the following. F of x, we want to find one polynomial, that is LCM into GCD by g of x, another polynomial. Suppose you want to find a LCM, how you find a LCM? F of x into g of x by GCD. Suppose you want to find GCD, how you find f of x into g of x by LCM. For this, this is the basic formula. For using that basics, not like a formula, it is a basic definition of relationship between LCM and GCD. Using that basic definition, we have to derive this 3. So it is useful for the following problems. Exercise 3.3, first problem, find the LCM and GCD for the following and verify that f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. We want to find LCM and GCD, then we have to check f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. The first problem, 21x square y 35x y square. Second problem, x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. Another expression, x cube plus 1. For this third problem, first expression x square y plus xy square. Second expression, x square plus xy. For these are considered as a polynomial. For it is f of x, g of x, f of x, g of x, f of x, g of x. Okay. For this is each expression is considered as a polynomial. First problem, 21x square y 35xy square. First you have to find a LCM and GCD for the coefficients. The coefficients 21 and 35. For 21 and 35, common divisor is 7. So 3 times, 5 times. For it is LCM means it is a product of common factor and independent factor. Common factor is 7, independent factor 3 and 5. So 7 into 3 into 5. It is a LCM. For it is 7 into 3 into 5. 7 3s are 21, 21 into 5, that is 105. For GCD means it is the common divisor. So GCD is equal to 7. So LCM is 105, GCD is 7. So now for a GCD, commonly we have to write the GCD of coefficient and their variables. So that is 21 x square y 35 x y square. GCD is, for GCD we found it is 7. For GCD means it is the least power of the expression, smallest power of the expression. So x square and x, so it is smallest power x, y square which is smallest power y, so 7xy. LCM means LCM already we found, that is 105. We have to consider the highest power, that is x square y square. Students, make remember GCD means we have to find the least power of the expression, and LCM means we have to find the highest power of the expressions. So it is 7xy, for it is 105x square y square. Then we want to check f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. First you have to find LHS, f of x into g of x. So f of x 21x square y, for it is f of x, it is g of x. So it is 21 into 35, that is 735. X square into x, x cube. Y into y square, y cube. It is called it as equation number 1. Then RHS LCM into GCD. LCM we found 105x square y square. GCD 7xy. 105 into 7 is 735. X square into x, x cube. Y square into y, y cube. 2. From 1 and 2, it is verified. F of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Students, each problem beginning itself you have to denote what is f of x, what is g of x. For this first problem, f of x you have to take and write and g of x you have to take and write. Then you have to proceed GCD, LCM and then you have to do the proof also. Second problem, try yourself. Now we will see the third problem, x square y plus xy square, x square plus xy. For it is f of x, it is g of x. F of x is equal to x square y plus xy square. For in these two terms xy is common, so you have to take xy outside, which is remaining here x. For xy is taken outside, which is remaining y. So xy into x plus y. For in this g of x, which is common, x is common. So here x is remaining, here y is remaining. So it is x plus y. For now, for here coefficient is 1. So you no need to find a GCD and LCM for 1. That is the GCD of 1. GCD of 1 is 1. LCM also 1. So GCD equal to, GCD means you know the common factors. So for these two which is common, x is common. For here x plus y, x plus y. For common terms only, x GCD. X, so take and write x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, which is common, that only you have to take and write as a product. LCM means you know the product of common factor and independent factor. So common factor is x, independent factor y, then another one common factor x plus y. So xy into x plus y. Now we want to check f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. F of x into g of x. So that is f of x is we found x, y is f of x is xy into x plus y. It is f of x into g of x we found x into x plus y. For we want to make multiple. So that is xy into x. So that is x square y. xy into x, that is x square y. X plus y 2 times is there. So you have to write x plus y whole square. It is 1. Called it as equation number 1. Now RHS, LCM into GCD. So LCM we found xy into x plus y. GCD x into x plus y. Now you have to make multiple xy into x. X square y. X plus y into x plus y. X plus y whole square. Now you have to consider equation 1 and 2. We get f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. So it is verified. Second problem, find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomials. For here two problems are given. For I am going to teach you only one problem. Then remaining you have to try yourself. So that is the first problem, a square plus 4a minus 12, a square minus 5a plus 6, whose GCD is a minus 2. F of x and g of x and GCD is given. Using that you have to find a LCM. For here also second problem also, x power 4 minus 27 a cube x. Second expression it is f of x, g of x is x minus 3a whole square, GCD is x minus 3a. We have to use LCM. For the formula is given, that is f of x into g of x by GCD is equal to LCM. The first problem, first you have to take and write f of x and g of x, then GCD. What are the things given? F of x, g of x and GCD. Now LCM formula you have to write f of x into g of x by GCD. So f of x is a square plus 4a minus 12, g of x a square minus 5a plus 6 whole divided by a minus 2. For it is a quadratic expression. This quadratic expression we have to find factors. So that is a I factor method. So I factor means you know that is product value is minus 12, adding value is 4. Product value minus 12, adding value 4. For this quadratic expression, product value 6, adding value minus 5. First you have to find the factors for this. 2, 6 are 12. We need here plus 4. So greater number what you have here plus, greater number you give plus symbol. It is minus, greater number give a minus symbol. So minus 2 plus 6. 6 2s are 12. Minus into plus minus. It is different sign. You have to subtract 6 minus 2, 4. So now you have to, this one factor is a minus 2 into a plus 6. For this one factor, a minus 2 into a minus 3. For using this, you have to write a factor by a minus 2. For this all the one in a product, so cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel a minus 2 cancel. So after cancelling we have a minus 2 into a plus 6 into a minus 3. So this is the LCM. Second problem, I said try yourself, but here some of the problems that identity have to use, how you have to use, that I am going to explain to you. Okay, for it is the first f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 27 a cube x. For x is common, you have to take outside, so x cube minus 27 a cube. For it is g of x is equal to x minus 3a whole square. For it is GCD, for it is in the form, you know, for it is in a what form? A cube minus b cube, it is 3a whole cube, that we will see now. GCD, first what are the things given, just take and write. Then formula, f of x LCM equal to f of x into g of x by GCD. Now for f of x is we rewritten as x into x cube minus 27a cube into x minus 3a whole square by x minus 3a, it is a GCD. For here this all the one in a, it is a numerator, it is denominator. For it is x minus 3a whole square, here x minus 3a. So one time it is cancelled. So after cancelling we have x into x cube minus 3a. This 27a cube is written as 3a whole cube. For here x minus 3a is there. So now you have to apply the formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. For it is x into, it is a minus b is 3a. A square, it is x square, ab for x into 3a plus b square, that is 3a whole square, that is 9a square. This x minus 3a. Now for x into x minus 3a 2 times is there, so x minus 3a whole square. For x square a plus 3ax plus 9a square. So this is the LCM. Next, third question, find GCD of each pair of the following polynomials. So that is 12x power 4 x cube. Second, g of x is 8 into x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square, whose LCM is 24x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. The second problem, x cube plus y cube. Then another expression, x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4, whose LCM x cube plus y cube into x square plus xy plus y square. We want to find GCD. The formulas, you know, GCD equal to f of x into g of x by LCM. First you have to write what are the things given f of x. For common terms is there, you have to take outside. For here x cube is common, so 12x cube into x minus 1. Then there is g of x 8 into x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. X square is common, that x square you have to take an outside. So which is remaining x square minus 3x plus 2. For their LCM is given 24x cube. It is a cube. It is cube 24x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Write the formula GCD equal to f of x into g of x by LCM. So that is equal to f of x we found 12x cube into x minus 1 into g of x 8x square minus 3x plus 2. Just we taken the common terms outside. Then LCM is given 24x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So x minus 1 cancel. Then what are the things cancel? You have to make cancel. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Then x cube cancel. After cancelling we have x square, for here 4 is there, 4x square into x square minus 3x plus 2. For this x square minus 3x plus 2 you have to find a factor. Product value 2, adding value minus 3. So minus 1 into minus 2. The factor is minus 1 into minus 2. That is x minus 1 into x minus 2. For this quadratic expression factors we found. By the denominator we have x minus 2. So x minus 2 cancel. After cancelling we have 4x square into x minus 1. Once again listen students. First you have to write f of x and g of x by LCM. What are the things cancel? All the one you have to make cancel. Then after cancelling what you have? 4x square into x square minus 3x plus 2 by x minus 2. I am reduced here one step. Okay. So I am explaining once again. For it is 4x square into x square minus 3x plus 2 by x minus 2. For it is a quadratic expression. This quadratic expression you have to use a I factor. Then you have to find the factors for this expression written as this factors by x minus 2. For after finding that, again you have to make cancel x minus 2, x minus 2. After cancelling we have 4x square into x minus 1. The second problem, the same way you have to find f of x and g of x. For here no common terms. For here common terms is there, we have to take it is, we have the formula x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4. This is the formula. For it is, how you write x square, for in 9th standard one problem I am taught to you, make remember, that is x square, this x square y square written as xy, this y power 4 is y square. So this is, for explanation no need, make remember this x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4. How you make remember? For x, this x power 4 is separated, x square, this y power 4 also you have to separate, y square. This x square y square you have to write plus xy minus xy. It is a short way to make remember. Okay, formula explanation I am not given here. Okay, for it is rewritten as this form, it is the formula. Now LCM is given x cube plus y cube into x square plus xy plus y square. Now you have to substitute GCD equal to f of x into g of x by LCM. That is f of x is x cube plus y cube, g of x square plus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square by LCM is given as x cube plus y cube into x square plus xy plus y square. So what are the things cancel? You have to make cancel. For x cube plus y cube cancel, then these two terms cancel. After cancelling we have x square minus xy plus y square. So this is the GCD. For fourth question, two problems are given, LCM and GCD of the two polynomials p of x and q of x. Find the unknown polynomials in the following table. For the first question, LCM, GCD and p of x is given. We want to find q of x. For the second problem, LCM and GCD and q of x is given. We want to find p of x. So we have to use that formula. For it is fourth problem, what are the things given? You have to take and write. That is p of x, LCM is a cube minus 10a square plus 11a plus 70. For it is a cubic equation. Cubic equation, you know, you have to use a synthetic division. For quadratic equation we use I factor. Cubic equation we have to use a synthetic division. That is where, do you remember? 9th standard you are learned it is. For synthetic division you know the methods. That is, first you take the coefficient, that is 1, minus 10, 11, 70. In the first place you have to write 0. The remainder also you write 0. Then you have to substitute the values one by one. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4. Otherwise you have to take the values randomly. For I am used here 5. So it is, you have to add these two. 1 into 5, 5. Minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. 5 5s are 25, it is minus 5. So minus 25, minus 14. Minus 14 into 5, minus 70, it is 0. So it is satisfied. So here we start with the first term a cube. So here you start from a square minus 5a minus 14. So the first factor here, suppose you use a minus number, you write it's a factor, as a factor how you write? A minus 5. Suppose minus 5, it is a plus 5. So the factors a minus 5 into a square minus 5a minus 14. Once again listen, synthetic division you have to take the coefficients and write here 0, and the remainder place also you have to write 0. Up to we get remainder 0, you have to proceed one by one. One by one in the step you have to substitute the values 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4, like that. You have to use pencil. After finding that you use ink. So now 5 is possible. So 1 into 5, 5. Then you have to make multiple, minus 25. Simplify this, minus 14. Multiple these two, minus 70. So it is satisfied. So it is a square minus 5a minus 14. It is written as a minus 5. So GCD is a minus 7. It is given. P of x is given a square minus 12a plus 25. So this 25, product value 25, adding value minus 12. So 5 sevens are sorry students, in the given question it is 35. I made a mistake here, for it is 35. 5 sevens are 35. We need plus, so both you have to use minus. Same sign, add minus 12. So a minus 5 into a minus 7. Q of x, another polynomial we want to find. The formula LCM into GCD by P of x. LCM we found a minus 5 into a square minus 5a minus 40. GCD a minus 7. P of x is a minus 5 into a minus 7. A minus 5 cancel. A minus 7 cancel. After cancelling we have a square minus 5a minus 14. This is Q of x.